guys, it's time for my first Valentine's Day DIYs for 2019 and using, of course, my beloved Dollar Tree products. So let's get into the first DIY, and we're doing 3 different wreath variations in this video. And the first one is so simple and beautiful. You can really just have so many options here with this, but I am using a Dollar Tree Willow wreath and then a Dollar Tree sign. As you can see, I've taken it apart, and then you just want to choose the hearts that you want. I'm showing you some different variations and just line it up exactly how you want it to look. I decided that the two hearts in white really contrasted well with the darkness of the wreath, and so I used those, and then I used some hot glue, and that was pretty much it. It is that easy, and voila, you're done. I haven't decided exactly where I'm placing this, so I don't have a location to share with you. You're gonna see with my other 2 wreaths that I put them in different places to kind of give you guys some ideas, but I haven't quite figured out exactly where I want to put this wreath exactly. But I love the way that it turned out. You can make a ton of these, and you can always add floral and all kinds of different things. But this one cost $2. This next wreath is actually using a Hobby Lobby wreath that's already put together, but using Dollar Tree heart picks, and I cannot believe how beautiful this turned out. The wreath was $49.99, but it was on sale for 50% off, so I got it for $25, and then I just broke apart the sticks from the little heart picks and then just planted them into the wreath, and it was that easy. Now I would advise that you add a little bit of dab of hot glue to the end of the little stick so that it kind of grabs onto the leafing inside the wreath so that they don't fall out. But if you don't want to do that, you don't have to. You can just place them into the wreath like I did, and you're done. It was that freaking easy. I think it turned out so beautiful, but of course if you wanted to reuse your wreath, I wouldn't do the hot glue portion. So I'm showing you that you can also put it on your dining room table or just any tabletop, almost like a garland for maybe a hurricane vase, and then you could put a really large beautiful like pillar candle inside, and it would look beautiful that way. But then of course you can also put it on your door as a standard wreath, or even inside your house, you know, fireplace, any sort of place where you feel like it would be a focal point. And this wreath cost $26. This next wreath I think has grown to be my favorite. It's so simple, such a simple idea. I don't know why I never thought of this, but when I looked at these metal wreaths, they're really intended to have like a mesh put into them, and this heart wreath is from Dollar Tree, and then I just took it outside and just decided I like the look of this. It looks kind of has that farmhouse cottagey look, and I can just take some spray paint to this, and I used a Satin Ivory, and I've had this spray paint for so many different projects. So for me personally, I'm not going to include it in the price. So if you have spray paint lying around, or you've done a couple of crafts, you may have that already on hand, and then your wreath is just $1 like me. But you can also head off to Walmart and get spray paint for like $3, and it just turned out so beautiful. There were so many different places that this was so versatile with my decor, and I'm just kind of showing you guys like different ideas. I fell in love with the simplicity of it, to be honest. And of course you can always just string some ribbon around it and like hang it, and that would be charming as well. But that's it, you guys. This was a $1 wreath, and that's it for my DIYs for today. Come back soon for some more, and I'll see you soon for another Dollar Tree haul as well. Bye guys!